Attention all e-commerce operators and starters, do not miss out on Amazon Prime Day 2023. Prime Day is Amazon's annual deal event on July 11th to 12th exclusively for Prime members, featuring 2 days of epic deals on top brands. This members-only event is a huge draw for shoppers hunting for summer deals. Worried about campaigns promotion? Check this out. Wondershare Virbo offers a wide range of video templates to help with this sales spree. In the pre-warm-up phase, choose the Prime Day series templates to create introduction video of all promotional products or campaigns as a whole. During Prime Day, search directly for product category templates to introduce detailed product and discount information. We got customized templates in almost every product category, like beauty, outdoors, electronics, jewelry, home living, mom baby, and so on. If you have a live stream planned, we also have a live preview video template for category special. After Prime Day, you can extend the heat by creating promotional videos on other similar topics, like mid-year sale or summer sale. It's also a good choice to post all these videos on your social media account to gain more exposure and make sales conversion. Most importantly, it's very easy to make videos with templates, with only 3 steps. Step 1, choose a template you like, click Create Video button. Step 2, enter product descriptions or discount information, select language, voice, avatar, and switch background image. Add more scenes if needed. Step 3, choose a dynamic music and export. So, are you ready to skyrocket your sales on Amazon Prime Day? Download Wondershare Virbo today and try out different templates right away.